Is your Xfinity XR15 remote acting up? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset it back to factory settings and pair it again. So guys, the XR15 is the slim voice-enabled remote without a setup button. Instead, you'll be using A and D buttons marked with a triangle and a diamond. So firstly, press and hold the A and D buttons together until the status light at the top changes from red to green. This usually takes about 5 seconds. And once the light is green, just type 9, 8 and 1. The LED will blink blue twice, confirming your XR15 has been reset to factory settings. And now you'll need to repair your remote, so point it at your Xfinity box, press the Xfinity and info buttons together until the light turns green. Then follow the prompts on your TV screen. So that's all it takes to reset your Xfinity XR15 remote. If this guide helped, give this video a thumbs up of course and subscribe for more quick tech tips. I'll see you in the next one.